PC is on right now. If I shut down, I couldn't able to restart it. Why? Because the power buttons and the keys are never works. The keyboard has to be replaced. See, when I press the power button, nothing happens. When I try to use the external keyboard, let's see what happens. I'm plugging into the USB right now. Yes, it has been plugged. Right now the keyboard has been connected. Keyboard has been connected. Okay. When I press these buttons, it doesn't work at all. See, nothing happens. Whenever I press the power button also, nothing works. Let's see what happens when I plug the external keyboard. So the keys work. See, keys work. See, so when I press on screen keyboard is already on actually, but the pressure pad works perfectly. See, when I press the escape button, doesn't work. Actually, it has been plugged off as because the keyboard is completely out. See, on screen keyboard works. When I press, no, nothing happens. On screen keyboard works, but I can't do this on this keyboard, so I'm using this keyboard. Okay, see, when I tried to use YouTube, okay, if the keyboard isn't replaced, this video won't work. This laptop won't work. So I have to switch on for every time, and the power should never go off. That is the only thing. So I am going to power on for today completely till I give to the service person. This is the actual issue. The keyboard should be replaced, but system is working perfectly fine. Everything is good. Sorry. See, pressure pad is also working fine. So I need to keep the system switched on only. If I try to shut down, the system will go off, and again I can't power on. So the keyboard should be replaced. Okay, is it very clear? See, keyboard is not working. Any keys, nothing. But when I press, see, keyboard is working. So I shouldn't switch off the system for tonight. It will be powered on. Okay, thanks.